You say, what's going on, everybody?
What's going on, everybody?
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, pretty excited about today's video. My friends over at Lasfit Automotive Lighting sent me a little package. They noticed that I haven't made a Toyota Tundra video in a while, so they went ahead and sent something out for me. I have no idea what it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, find out what we got. So it looks like we got the dual color LED headlamp bulbs. Looks like they're the SwitchBack. And they turn white and yellow. 6,000K, 3,000K. Cool. They're fog light bulbs. 8,400 lumens white, 7,200 lumens yellow. 6,000K, 3,000K. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, these are fog light bulbs. So I guess they're dual, they're switchback fog light bulbs. They go amber to white. That's cool. That's gonna be kind of interesting to install. I wonder how that's gonna go. Like, if I have to hook up a bunch of wiring or what. Open. Okay. Heck yeah. There's some decals. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, give me all kinds of decals. Product review card. Product manual. There we go, bulbs. Right on. I'll do some close-ups of this thing. Not much wiring. I don't have to hook anything up. Just plug and play from what it looks like. Alright, here's a little tip. If you're doing this on the Tundra, you don't have to go through the fender liner like I did. It's kind of hard that way. If you just go underneath, you can get to it all. So there's a little tip. It's also a good idea to just go ahead and, before you install the bulb, go ahead and plug in the connector and turn on the lights and make sure they come on, because you can plug them in the wrong way. They just won't come on. You just have to switch that. Okay. The one thing I really like about this kit is the connector. The connector, it connects to the factory plug really good. It clicks in really good. It fits really well. A lot of these aftermarket, HID kits and LED kits, the connectors, they just suck. But this one, these guys nailed it. It just clicks on. It's real satisfying. There you go. Back there, just a little zip tie. Looking good. All right, check it out. There you go. White. Alright, and to get them to switch to yellow, pretty simple. All you gotta do is just turn it off and on. Real quick. And bam, there you go, amber. Alright, I'm gonna go back to white. And I'll get some shots of this at night. Bam, back to white. want to say thanks to Lasfit Automotive Lighting. The LEDs look great. Can't wait to do the headlights. The fog lights are super bright, and the headlights, I got to do the headlights now. Check them out on Instagram. I'll leave a link down in the description box below for their website. Check that out. They got everything you need as far as the LEDs go. I think that's about it. Do me a favor, if you made it this far in the video, hit that thumbs up button for me. And you guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.